Completely safe construction site. Using completely safe construction equipment. I am Shin Hyunhwa, Safety Advisor at Hyundai E&C. Our topic today is the Scissor type aerial work platform. Aerial work platforms consist of a working platform, extension structures, and a chassis. They are equipment used to move workers to their work positions. On construction sites, aerial work platforms are utilized for formwork assembly, pipe and glass installation, and various other tasks. Aerial work platforms are classified as hazardous machinery and equipment. Within the regulations of the Korean Occupational Safety and Health Act, KOSHA, they are included in vehicle-based loading and unloading machinery and are managed accordingly. These aerial work platforms are classified based on the center of gravity of the platform into Group A and Group B. According to the jib type and work platform elevation method, they are classified into scissor lifts, self-propelled types, and vehicle-mounted types. The equipment we will learn about today is the scissor type aerial work platform. Manufacturers or importers of aerial work platforms must ensure the aerial work platform complies with the KOSHA and meets the safety certification standards conducted by the Minister of Employment and Labor. Safety certification must be obtained from the manufacturing stage. Production stage. At the site, you must verify whether the scissor type aerial work platform has received safety certification by checking the safety certificate before bringing it into the site. Let's look at the structure of the scissor type aerial work platform. Its main components include tires, main body, hydraulic system, and cylinder, the boom structure and connection parts, and the working platform. According to the height of the aerial work platform, the power source may vary, and additional parts may be installed. Most aerial work platforms use tires to support the ground, and their driving power is typically electric. However, for platforms with higher elevation heights, to prevent tipping over during work, they are equipped additionally with outriggers, and engine-powered systems are used. Additionally, depending on the use and environment, the drive method can vary between wheel-based or track-based systems. Scissor-type aerial work platforms. Prior to use, the employer, according to regulations on industrial safety and health standards, Article 38, is required to prepare a work plan. Employers must check the work location of the aerial work platform, ensure that the path of the aerial work platform is free from obstacles, terrain conditions, and ground layers, and the presence of narrow passages. Based on this, they must prepare a work plan and carry out tasks according to the plan. Additionally, the work plan must include potential hazards that may occur during the work. Regarding 5 accident types, the risk factors and the preventive measures must be included. The employer must designate a work supervisor in accordance with Article 39 of the regulations and ensure that work is carried out according to the prepared work plan. The employer must ensure the work is supervised. During operation, the aerial work platform may tip over or roll off due to the materials being transported or the aerial work platform itself. Ensure that surrounding workers are not exposed to danger. A banksman must be assigned. Safety Certification Guide. The Safety Certification Guide for Scissor-type aerial work platforms provides various information on safety devices. Out of the available safety devices, let's review the selected types of safety devices and their inspection methods. The anti-overrise device prevents workers from being caught between the work platform and structures, such as ceilings, from being trapped, or prevents accidents, such as collisions or entrapment. Before the revision of the Safety Certification Guide, newly manufactured or imported aerial work platforms could install anti-overrise devices without restrictions on their form. However, after December 2, 2023, for platforms manufactured or imported, the attachment form of the anti-overrise device has been more clearly defined as either vertical or horizontal. During manufacturing or import, one of the 2 types of anti-overrise devices must be selected. Obtaining safety certification was sufficient. The installation method and inspection method of the over-elevation prevention device. The vertical type must be installed at 4 corner points, at least 60 centimeters in height. When pressure is detected during elevation, it should stop the platform's ascent. For horizontal types, the upper safety guardrail should be installed at a height of at least 5 centimeters. During platform elevation, if pressure is detected along the entire length, it should stop ascending. In Hyundai E&C, the over-elevation prevention device, safety implementation, both vertical and horizontal types, are installed simultaneously. exceeding legal requirements for safety management. The automatic safety device is located at the platform control panel. When the work platform is in an out-of-bounds state, when the operator is on board during travel and encounters an upper structure, there is a risk of entrapment accidents. To prevent this, a safety device is used. The inspection method involves verifying, as shown in the video. Check if the movement is restricted. The moment detection device is a safety feature. The moment detection device prevents the aerial work platform from tipping over. The moment detection device detects danger and stops the operation of the aerial work platform. It is a crucial safety device composed of various sensors. Let's look at two types. First, the overload detection device. When the aerial work platform is elevated and overloaded with materials, the aerial work platform may collapse or an accident may occur. The overload detection device senses weight and restricts platform elevation when overloading occurs. Secondly, the leveling detection device. When the ground is tilted and the work platform is elevated, the aerial work platform may tip over. This safety device prevents such incidents. While tilt detection criteria may vary by manufacturer, it typically is based on the main body. When it tilts around 1.5 degrees left or right, or around 3 degrees forward or backward, the elevation of the work platform will be restricted. The two safety devices above are crucial. However, improper inspection without precise knowledge may lead to accidents. Therefore, inspections should be conducted alongside rental company personnel or headquarters experts to ensure proper inspection. Emergency descent device. If the power supply to the aerial work platform is cut off and the elevated aerial work platform becomes inoperable, or if a worker on the aerial work platform becomes trapped between the platform and the ceiling, and operation from above is not possible, a worker on the ground manually lowers the work platform from the main body using the safety devices. As shown in the video, activate the emergency descent device from the base to ensure the elevated platform descends manually. Since operating methods and installation locations may vary by manufacturer, before use on-site, check the operation method on the main body and the location of the emergency descent device. They are clearly labeled. The safety certification notification requires the installation of control devices on the platform to prevent entrapment of operators or nearby workers, allowing operation only from designated locations. If the worker leaves the work platform or operates while hanging on the guardrail, there's a risk of falling or entrapment. As shown in the video, operation should be disabled if the operator leaves the designated position. The platform operates only when the foot switch is pressed and the control lever is activated simultaneously. For inspection, ensure the foot switch remains fixed in position, that it is securely mounted, and that pressing the foot pedal does not override the interlock mechanism. According to KOSHA, Article 35, a supervisor must inspect the aerial work platform before commencing work. The emergency stop device is used to immediately halt the operation of the platform during potential accident risks. The Safety Certification Guide requires the standards for the shape and location of emergency stop devices. Here are a few examples, as shown in the video. First, install the device at the control panel or other areas requiring emergency stops, ensuring it is easily accessible. Second, the device must be of a protruding mushroom-type design and operate via a button mechanism. Third, the button must be red with a yellow background. Fourth, if multiple emergency stop devices are installed in the circuit, the machine must not operate until all activated devices are reset. Before using the aerial work platform, ensure that the safety device's operational status is thoroughly inspected using the checklist. Additionally, Article 186 provides clear guidelines for compliance when installing aerial work platforms. Please refer to these for your works. Although there is no legal qualification requirement for operating scissor lift platforms, Hyundai E&C independently manages a qualification system. This involves an initial written and practical test, as shown in the video, to verify the operator's knowledge and skills before issuing qualifications. To prevent accidents, operators renew their certifications annually, maintaining their safety knowledge and operating skills. This concludes the explanation on scissor lift platforms. Let's review common accident scenarios through animation and revisit the precautions for using scissor lift platforms. Let's go over them once again. Here's a site preparing for scissor lift platform work.
Alright, let's start working in Area A and then move to Area B. Hey, come over here.
A banksman is leading and controlling the platform.
Hey, come over here. I'm in a bit of a rush. I really need to use the restroom. No problem, hurry back.
Oh no, the banksman leaves urgently for the restroom. Is it okay to leave the position unattended like this? Fortunately, the work in Zone A is completed without the banksman.
Still not back, huh? It's just right next door. I'll go wait for them.
However, now the worker moves alone to Zone B without a banksman.
This pathway looks kinda tight, but I think I can make it with my driving skills. Oh wait, there's an obstacle. If I just back up a little, I can get around it.
The passage seems a bit narrow.
Ah!
Oh no, that's not good. Unfortunately, the worker ends up bumping their head. To prevent this, it's important to conduct a pre-work environment survey, prepare a work plan document, ensure that these procedures are properly followed during the work. It's important to have the work supervisor closely monitor and verify everything.
Today, we're splitting into Team A and Team B. Team A, you'll handle the piping, and Team B, you're on finishing work.
Now, we return to a site preparing for scissor lift platform work. Following the guide's instructions, according to the banksman's directions. Oh no, it seems like there's an issue with Team A.
I think I can reach it if I just go a bit more. But this anti-override device is stopping me. Removing it for a sec should be fine.
A team member is removing the anti-override device.
Let me try lifting a bit more. Ah!
Oh no! A crushing accident occurs. However, Team B quickly recognizes the situation and activates the emergency descent device.
Are you okay? Did you get hurt? Thanks for saving me.
Following their training, they successfully rescue the worker. To prevent such situations, it's essential to strictly adhere to safety management standards, such as installing the anti-override device and ensuring proper labeling of emergency descent device operations. This session covered safety education on scissor lift platforms. Since this equipment involves workers operating at great heights, thorough inspections and safe usage are imperative. Be sure to conduct thorough inspections and use them safely. We hope this session has contributed to your safety knowledge. Let's ensure a completely safe construction site. Complete safety.